Monte Carlo Methods by Cameron Lester, Michael Peter, Brittany Schwann, and Catherine Chimay. In this introduction video, we'll be going over the definition of Monte Carlo methods, the application of Monte Carlo methods, and the topics of our future videos in this series. Section 1. Definition of Monte Carlo methods. Monte Carlo methods utilize repeated random sampling to obtain numerical results. They are mainly used in three classes of problems: numerical integration, optimization, and generating draws from a probability distribution. A bit about the history of Monte Carlo methods. Stanislaw Ulam is often credited with inventing Monte Carlo methods in 1946 while playing the game Solitaire and thinking about his probability of winning. Section 2. Application of Monte Carlo methods. Some of the applications of Monte Carlo methods include finance, finding pricing derivatives. Monte Carlo simulation is commonly used to evaluate the risk and uncertainty that would affect the outcome of different decision options. It allows us to simulate different paths of certain underlying, if a stock gains or loses value over time, which affects the possible payoff of a derivative. The fair price of a financial derivative is then calculated as the discounted mean payoff of the instrument. Monte Carlo simulation can be used to price complex derivatives that depend on many uncertain factors, where closed formulas are not available anymore. Another application of Monte Carlo methods is engineering in telecommunications. When planning a wireless network, design must be proved to work for a wide variety of scenarios that depend on the number of users, their location, and the services they want to use. Monte Carlo methods can be used to generate these users and their states. The network performance is then evaluated, and if the results are not satisfactory, the design goes through an optimization process. One more application of Monte Carlo methods is in game theory and artificial intelligence, in particular using Monte Carlo Markov chains to create complex AI behavior. Another application for Monte Carlo methods is in the Coast Guard, utilizing Monte Carlo methods during search and rescue. The U.S. Coast Guard uses computer software which utilizes these methods during search and rescue operations to calculate the probable location of missing vessels. The Monte Carlo methods used in the software demonstrates a practical application of probability distribution, providing the quickest and most effective method of rescue, saving both lives and resources. Section 3. Topics of future videos in this series. These topics will include the theory of Monte Carlo methods and numerical integration, importance sampling and control variates in Monte Carlo methods, Monte Carlo methods of inference, which includes estimation and hypothesis testing, and Monte Carlo methods in R, including real-world application and the Monte Carlo package in R.